Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to merge zip, documents, and images to PDF. Let's start. First, I'll be showing you the zip documents, Excel file, and PDF file that we're going to merge. We will turn them into one whole PDF using the PDF Merger API. Now, let's start by creating a Zap. Type in and select Google Drive as our trigger app. You may also use other cloud storage for this. Then, select New File and Folder as our trigger event. After that, select or connect your Google Drive account that you want to use. Then, select the drive and folder where your file is located. Since we're done with setting up our trigger, we'll go ahead and test it to check for any errors. Now that the test is finished without any errors, we will now proceed with setting up our action. For our action app, type in and select PDF.co. Then, choose PDF Merger as our action event. After that, select or connect your PDF.co account that you're going to use. We will now set up the action parameters. For the link of the source file, type in web content link to get the URL of the file inside your Google Drive. Since we can only get the link of one file inside Google Drive, we'll need to manually add the link of the other files. If you're merging other type of files aside from PDF, make sure to set auto-convert non-PDF files into true. Then add the name of your output PDF. Don't forget to set the async job check interval into higher seconds if you're merging large files to avoid any errors. Since we're now done setting up our action, let's go ahead and test it to check if there are any errors. Our test was successful. Let's go ahead and use the output link to check our merged file. Here's our result PDF. As you can see, we've successfully merged all of the different types of documents. PDF Merger API supports multiple types of documents. That's it for this tutorial. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our YouTube channel or on our website. Thanks for watching.